Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors. Today I am going to show you how to make kaimatis, which are also known as Luqaimat or sweet dumplings. The ingredients to make kaimati is very simple. For that, all we need is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of yeast, and water as per required. So now we are going to start by mixing in the yeast and the flour. It's better to use your hands for this instead of a mixer because it gives better results. Now we're going to add in the oil. Make sure not to use a lot of oil. 1 tablespoon is more than enough, but make sure you mix the ingredients very well. Now we are going to add in the water slowly by slowly. We're not supposed to make a dough over here, so you add water slowly so you can know how much you need to make a thick paste. Just keep adding while mixing. So as you can see, my paste is ready. It's very thick and nice. This is how yours is supposed to be. And now all we are going to do is cover it and let it rise for 3 hours. If the temperature in your house is cool and not warm, you can also put the paste outside in sunlight for better results, but you still leave it for the same amount of time. It's time to fry the kaimatis. For that, I've heated up some oil. Now I'm going to slowly drop in the paste using a spoon. Using spoons is better instead of using your hand. It causes less mess and it gives you the chance to get a proper shape of the kaimatis. Just in case your kaimatis don't turn out round, it's okay, it happens, but you can still keep trying to get better results. So we're going to fry them. We don't want them to be too dark brown, just light golden, but make sure you keep flipping them over so they don't get burned, and make sure the oil is on medium flame, not on fast. So this is how the color is supposed to be. Now we are going to take it off the heat. Make sure not to fry them darker than this. So this is how the kaimatis are supposed to look. We're now going to make the sugar syrup, and for that we need 1 cup of water in which we're going to add 370 grams of sugar. If you wish, you can add in some cardamom seeds or cardamom powder just to bring out the aroma. Now we're going to put this on medium flame and let it boil, but make sure to keep stirring it. Just give it a few boils till the sugar syrup is a bit sticky. So the sugar syrup is ready, and now we're going to add in the kaimatis. We're now going to start mixing them. Make sure you mix it very well just so the syrup goes on every kaimati. So this is how you're going to mix the kaimatis into the sugar syrup. Make sure you keep flipping them over just so the sugar goes on each kaimati and it doesn't catch on the pan. You'll also make sure you're doing it on medium flame, not on fast. The sugar is supposed to dry up on the Kaimatis, so we're gonna keep mixing it till then. So this is how the sugar dries up. As you can see, the Kaimatis are coated with sugar already. So once they're like this, you know they're ready. So we're just going to take it off the heat. So this is how the Kaimatis are supposed to be. They have sugar from the outside and they're so soft from the inside. They look so yummy. So the Kaimati is ready. This is how it looks from the outside and the inside. Now we're just going to let it cool before we serve it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please do try it and let me know how yours turned out. Please also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like my video, and also make sure you hit the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.